Hi, I'm Wade, your Get Set Up guide. In these COVID times, many people prefer to have their groceries delivered to them rather than going to the store and shopping themselves. Luckily, there are more options than ever to get groceries delivered to your home now. Options include having them shipped to your home or having a personal shopper gather the items from the store and bring them to your home. Key players in providing this service include Instacart, Amazon Fresh, and Walmart. The goal of this class is to teach you about your options with regard to grocery delivery. In this class, you will learn how to determine what is common across all the grocery delivery services, how they differ, and then we will demo several of the top services so you can see what's involved in actually purchasing the items and selecting the delivery method. After completing the class, one learner said, "I never used this before because it seemed too complicated. Thanks for explaining how it works." If you're interested in learning how to get groceries delivered to your home, I hope you'll sign up for the class. You can meet other learners with similar interests and become part of our lifelong learning community at Get Set Up.